babayaran naman natin siya to fix this?
No! What we need to fix is your attitude. You will apologize to Noreen Alfonso now! Dahil ang gusto ko ay kunin siya to work with you para sa pitching ng campaign collab with Tara Park.
Si Tara Park? Yung sa North Island Ibang Grupo? The Tara Park collab is mine alone. Matagal ko na pinaghandaan ang pitch sa kanya. So sino tong si Lorena to work with me?
Someone who is tapping a market na hindi mo nakukuha. Everything's there. For us to go global, kailangan makuha natin ang solid local market na Class C and D. At hindi ka nila gusto, Shari.
Oh, so the great idea is for a micro-influencer like her to join me and Tara?
Tama na!
Sorry.